Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the compensation in medical sales. Well, as you know, the industry is known for being a very well-paid industry. However, I'm going to be talking about why companies pay quite good money to people in medical sales and how to reach that level, and also what types of mistakes people are making when they're trying to get into the industry. If you are interested to learn more, keep watching this video. And before I start, as always, please subscribe to my channel, press that subscribe button, like my videos, leave me comments and questions, and I will reply as soon as I can. Okay, let's go. Many people ask me about the compensation structure in the medical device industry and the medical sales. And as you know, its industry is very competitive, it's well paid, and people like to stay in the industry for quite some time. It's not easy to get in. I will tell you why companies pay good money to experienced salespeople. They actually pay for three things. They pay for experience, they pay for clinical knowledge and understanding, and they pay for contacts and relationships. So in order to get the benefit, the compensation in the company in medical sales, you need to bring something to the table in order to negotiate your compensation. The challenge that people are trying to get into the industry is that they don't have all those three components. Maybe they have some clinical experience, depending where they're coming from. But when it comes to medical sales experience and contacts and relationships, usually people are lacking those two criteria. And this is what I'm trying to explain when people asking me to help them to get into the industry. Do not expect a high pay right from the start. Break in, get inside of the industry first, find the entry position, find the company that is willing to give you a chance to start and prove that you can actually do that. And then you can gradually grow and ask for higher compensation, because that's how you will get the experience in medical sales, and you will get the contacts, and you will get the relationships. The biggest mistake that people are making on interviews, and that's coming from my own experience when I interviewed people, and also is coming from experiences of my colleagues who were hiring people for entry positions, is that people come to the table and they ask for a lot of money. They right away, they read somewhere on the website, they Google it, what's the average pay for medical sales, and they ask for that amount. But the question is, do you have enough to bring to the table in order to get paid that much? And very often it's not true. Very often people are switching industries. They're coming maybe from sales in other industry into medical side, but they don't have that clinical experience, clinical knowledge, and built relationships with clinicians and healthcare professionals. And those are the main things that people are willing to pay money for. So be prepared to have a discussion about it, and be prepared to acknowledge that you don't have those things, but you're willing to put your time and effort to build them up and to do your best in order to perform in the role that you're applying for. And I think that's the key thing that people are missing. So when they come to me and they want to work and they ask for advice, that's what I tell them. That at first, at the beginning stage, do not expect right away that high-end pay. But I also want to say that regardless of your positions, let's say even if it's entry position in medical sales, you still have the commission component of your compensation. So take the base salary, but the commission component can be very often uncapped, so you can make much more based on your performance. So be prepared to say that, yes, I do not have the contacts or relationships built, but I will do that, and hopefully that commission component of my compensation will reflect the work that I have put into this. And this is how you build up your expertise and your experience, and this is how your pay grade goes up and up and up. So in a few years, when you do develop the experience, the knowledge, the contacts, then you can negotiate, and then you can expect much higher pay, because people with years of experience in the industry, they're being highly respected and rewarded in the industry because they do bring not only their skills to the table, but also they usually bring the track record of building meaningful, long-lasting relationships with customers. And that's what companies are looking for, and this is why they pay good money. I hope this was helpful. If you have more questions about compensation in medical sales, please let me know. I'm also going to leave the link to my older video about general pay structure and compensation, because I know people have questions about it. And if you have more questions, leave them down below. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in my next video.